Whole frogs are delivered into the factory to begin a controlled food processing journey under strict hygienic conditions. The crates are positioned carefully so workers can visually inspect each frog under controlled factory lighting.
Workers carefully inspect each frog to ensure only suitable raw material continues through the production line.
Only frogs meeting quality standards are separated and prepared to move forward into processing.
The accepted frogs are transferred onto the conveyor to begin the structured processing sequence. Clean water rinses the frogs to remove surface debris before further controlled processing begins. Rinsed frogs are gently sorted by size to ensure uniform processing in later stages.
Only properly sized frogs proceed along the main conveyor toward the internal processing line. Frogs outside the required size range are removed to maintain strict production consistency.
The sorted frogs enter a controlled processing corridor designed for precise and hygienic preparation. Mechanical skin removal begins carefully to expose clean frog meat for precise food processing. Removed skin reveals clean frog meat moving forward for controlled trimming operations.
Trimming equipment standardizes frog meat portions for consistent coating and frying results.
Clean water washes trimmed frog meat to ensure hygienic preparation before portioning.
Portioning machinery cuts frog meat into uniform pieces ready for coating preparation.
Wheat flour is carefully measured to form the base of the crisp coating mixture. Cornstarch is measured precisely to enhance the final coating's light and crisp texture. Measured spices are prepared to give the coating balanced flavor without altering product identity.
Dry coating ingredients combine to form a consistent base mixture for frog fry.
The dry coating mix finishes blending, ready for liquid addition and slurry formation.
Measured water is prepared to transform the dry coating mix into a workable slurry. Water is added to the dry mix to begin forming a smooth coating slurry.
Continuous mixing turns the damp ingredients into a uniform coating slurry.
The slurry texture is verified to ensure even coating of every frog piece.
Prepared frog meat enters the slurry drum to begin uniform coating.
The rotating drum evenly coats each frog piece with the prepared slurry. Consistent rotation ensures every frog piece receives an even coating layer.
Excess slurry drains away, leaving a controlled coating on each frog piece.
Gentle vibration separates coated pieces to ensure even frying later. Coated frog pieces align at the fryer entrance, ready for controlled deep frying. The fryer reaches stable temperature, preparing hot oil for precise cooking.
Coated frog pieces enter the hot oil, beginning the frying process.
Hot oil cooks the coating, forming a crisp outer layer on each piece. Controlled frying develops a light golden color across the coated surface.
Continued frying sets the coating texture for consistent crispness.
The pieces reach the final frying zone, where cooking completes evenly.
Uniform golden brown color confirms the frog fry is fully cooked. The lift basket raises the fried pieces,
allowing excess oil to drain away.
Fried frog pieces transfer smoothly onto the exit conveyor for post-frying handling.
Freshly fried pieces move forward to stabilize before inspection and cooling.
Controlled airflow cools the fried pieces evenly to stabilize texture and surface oil. Cooling reduces surface oil, leaving a crisp and stable exterior on each piece. Workers visually inspect the cooled frog fry for consistent color and shape.
Any imperfect pieces are removed to maintain strict quality standards.
Only approved frog fry pieces move forward for final quality checks.
Approved frog fry pieces approach the sampling station for weight consistency checks.
Random samples are weighed briefly to verify consistent portion standards.
Surface oil levels are checked to ensure a clean and crisp finish. Final approval confirms the frog fry meets all quality requirements.
Approved frog fry approaches the open trays for visible and controlled packaging.
An open tray is precisely positioned to receive freshly prepared frog fry pieces.
Finished frog fry pieces drop directly into the open tray in full view.
The open tray fills steadily with evenly fried frog fry pieces.
Gentle vibration levels the frog fry evenly inside the open tray.
The filled open tray advances towards sealing while the product remains fully visible.
A transparent lid aligns above the open tray while the frog fry remains visible.
The lid is placed carefully, covering the tray without hiding the frog fry. The tray edges are sealed while the finished frog fry remains visible inside. Sealed trays are inspected to confirm visibility and proper closure.
Sealed trays group together, ready for placement into cartons.
An open carton is aligned to receive sealed trays while contents remain visible. A sealed tray slides into the open carton with the frog fry still visible.
More sealed trays load neatly until the carton reaches full capacity.
Carton flaps align precisely, preparing the loaded box for closure.
The carton closes securely, completing this stage of frog fry packaging.
The sealed carton travels forward toward palletizing within the controlled factory environment. An empty pallet is positioned precisely to receive finished frog fry cartons. The first finished carton is placed carefully onto the pallet. More cartons stack evenly to form a stable pallet load. The loaded pallet pauses, ready for protective wrapping before warehouse transfer. Transparent film begins wrapping the pallet to stabilize cartons for safe handling.
Wrapping completes, securing the pallet while keeping all cartons visible.
A forklift aligns carefully to lift the wrapped pallet for transport.
The wrapped pallet lifts smoothly, ready to move into warehouse storage. The pallet enters the warehouse aisle for organized storage before dispatch. The wrapped pallet is placed carefully into warehouse storage for temporary holding. The forklift withdraws, leaving the frog fry pallet securely stored. Stored pallets line the warehouse aisle, awaiting scheduled dispatch.
The dispatch lane opens as pallets prepare to move toward transport loading.
A stored pallet moves steadily toward the loading dock for final shipment.
The loading bay opens fully, ready to receive the finished frog fry shipment. The pallet aligns precisely with the truck floor for smooth loading.
The wrapped pallet rolls smoothly into the truck interior for transport.
The pallet is secured inside the truck to prevent movement during transport.
The loading bay door closes, marking the completion of shipment preparation.
Finished frog fry pallets rest in organized storage within the controlled warehouse space.
The factory floor stands ready after completing a full frog fry production cycle.
The loaded truck prepares to depart with the finished frog fry shipment.
The shipment leaves the facility, beginning its journey to distribution. And this is how modern factories produce frog fry from start to finish.